15 quizzes on primary auxiliary verb, form of be and do, English grammar, fluent synergy. Let's get started. I dash going to the store. She dash writing a letter. Is, they dash playing football. Are, we dash planning a trip. Are, he dash reading a book. Is, dash doing a great job. Are, it dash raining outside. Is, she dash not feeling well today. Is, they dash watching a movie. Are, we dash excited about the event. Are, dash you like pizza? Do, dash she play the piano? Does, dash they know the answer. Do, dash he understand the question? Does, dash, you need help with your homework. Do,